Okay, welcome back. Sun's a bit in my eyes, but this is going to be a bit of a different video, a little less energy. I don't have as much supplies right now, but we're going to try it anyway. Where are the knives that we're going to use? Well, if you read the title, you'd probably guess you keep these in your pocket. 4 inches brass and ebony wood handle, lock back, 420 HC, is the very classic and beautiful Buck 110. This is an antique from the 70s actually, and brand new, well relatively, also about 4 inches with its Beechwood handles, ring lock, 12C27 blade, full flat grind, and this is a hollow, forgot to mention that, sorry, is the Opinel number 10. Now, I wanted to go traditional with these, so we're going to do some stuff you would usually do with these, like some stuff you would do around a camp, and one thing you just do in your daily life. First up, we're going to check the sharpness. It's a bit windy, so I've sharpened both of these. Do that all day. You got a little curl like that, that's awesome. I can do that all day. Also, I should point out, this is way heavier than this. Now the Opinel. Opinel, I don't care, I'm going to be going back and forth. Whoa. Also really sharp. Not getting the same curly hues, but first up, we're going to do something you normally do with a pocket knife. We're going to try some cardboard cutting. We're going to do about 5 each. Not bad. Check the sharpness after that. Okay, it's still good to continue. Cardboard can be a mess for an edge. It's a bit windy today, so I'm having a little trouble keeping everything where it is. But we're gonna keep going and persevere. Next step. No damage whatsoever. I didn't expect them to be damaged, but next up we're going to try cutting some paracord. I'm going to cut a little piece here and then we're going to double it up. Not a problem. Alright, I'm going to try doubling it up. I'm not too good at this sort of thing. Not even an issue. Now the Opinel. It takes a little longer to get ready for action because of the ring lock, but that is cool. Wow. That full flat grind is amazing for this sort of thing. Ooh. Let me get a little larger loop. Oh, that actually failed. Let me try that again. With a little more leeway and length to actually get the sucker in there. Okay, there we go. But it was actually a bit harder. We're gonna try doing some feather sticking. Some camp stuff. Actually, I'm gonna use the cardboard as a base for stability. We're not gonna try lighting these on here. This is a glass table. You wouldn't usually be doing this, but if you had to at a camp. That made some nice feathers. Now the Opinel. Whoa. Thank God the cardboard was there. Opinels are not great feather stickers. Jeez, let me try here. Damn, it just wants to bite. This is not your bushcraft knife. Yeah, this ain't your bushcraft knife. Next up, though, we're gonna do a little food cutting. We've got some apple here. First up, we're gonna do the Opinel. Nice. Whoa. That is precise. I'm getting little shavings. That's nice. Sorry. A little hungry. Not a buck. Much of the same. Can't really see it through there, but I don't really like talking with my mouth full, sorry. Next up, we're gonna just carve a point on a stick, I mean. This is gonna be a relatively short video, I should point out. I've got some crap in the middle of the stick, but I'm going to try anyway. That's what we got. Don't want to smack it down on the table. I don't want to break it. Stop. Whoa. That's a biter. Just takes pieces off like way too easily, and I'm not even getting a point. I'm just shaving it down. It's a bit insane. That's the kind of point we got. We're just gonna see how well it strikes anyway. Whoa. Now closed. Whoa. That's definitely the safer way to do that. Now the buck. It's definitely the safer way to do this is when it's closed. So either of these could start a fire, and I've done it with both. If I had to pick, actually I should talk about price. This is where there's gonna be a major difference. I bought this for 20 bucks. These are usually 50 bucks, 50 to 60. And honestly, if you have the money, this is what I think is the winner. This is the knife your grandparents probably had, your dad probably had. This is just the knife you want to own. This is an antique I bought at a flea market, and it just, after all that though, nice. But if you only have like 20 to 30 bucks, the Opinel is not going to be a bad choice. After all of that, after what we just did, we're not doing edge retention tests, but that's two traditional pocket knives, one made in France, one made in the US. If you got the money, I would get both. This is the better food prepper, this is the better outdoor and all-around knife. So, which one? Take your pick. My personal preference is going to be the buck. Got something in my teeth, sorry. But I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and keep an eye out next week for a special holiday video.